Okay, we're here with Cliff Gratz, and we're going to talk about the removal set for abutments with an internal thread and screw. Okay, two different tools for removing either a stripped head on an abutment screw, or today, this video, we're going to feature the abutment removal tool. So we're going to pretend that that abutment is on this GM implant, and we're going to remove it. Take this guy off. I want everybody to see the mechanism involved in this. Right? Halfway, if you can see, there's threads on the side of this instrument. So I drew a picture of an implant and its connection. There's the abutment. The abutment is connected to the implant, but let's say the screw channel that runs through the middle, let's say the screw is completely removed. There's a couple threads inside. I want to demonstrate or show why. If I take this tie base, if I take this abutment screw, it doesn't drop in. It won't let me pass down into the abutment. It's hung up on some threads inside the abutment. So what I need to do, if everybody watches on the driver, I need to spin this 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just felt it slip. Now the abutment screw is passed through and it's not coming out. It's caught in those threads inside the abutment. So let's see how we utilize this tool once a screw is removed from the abutment. As we drive this guy down through the abutment, hit the bottom of the implant and push the abutment up out of the GM connection in the implant. Okay, if everybody can see, we've got our tie base on our GM implant or analog in this model. I'm just gonna back this thing up. I'm going lefty-loosey. I'm trying to remove my screw completely from the abutment. There we go. I can see the screw is out, but the abutment is still in. It's still locked in place. So if I was to grab with my forceps and try and lift up on this abutment, I can't get this thing out. It's been in the patient's mouth, created that cold weld from that Morse taper. So I simply take this abutment removal tool down in, and I'm turning it righty-tighty as if I'm tightening a screw, and I can see on the side that it has kicked or pushed the abutment up and out of the implant. Hope that helps. Thanks, everybody.
Alrighty, I'm at a doctor's office and they had a hard time getting an abutment out because of the cold weld after the screw has been removed. So we have the abutment removal tool, which it's pretty simple. You take out the screw, you go down, you just turn right, and eventually it will just, once it bottoms out at the bottom, it will just pop out the abutment. Thank you much. Bye.